Hi viewers, welcome to Blood Test. On our last video, we had discussed about the hematology analysis. Which hematology analyzer would be best suited for your diagnostic center? Today, we are going to talk about the biochemistry analyzer. Biochemistry analyzer is the machine which is needed from very small laboratories to even big laboratories or diagnostic centers. This biochemistry mission only, we will be doing all the basic tests starting from sugars, cholesterols, even hemoglobin can be done in a biochemistry analyzer. Biochemistry analyzers are basically of two types. One is the semi-automated biochemistry analyzer and this next one is the fully automated biochemistry analyzer. When are we supposed to choose which analyzer is best for our diagnostic center? It basically depends upon the sample size or the sample load you're going to get for your center. If you have a load of less than 15 samples per day, it is better you go for a semi-automated biochemistry analyzer. If your sample load is going to be more than 20 samples per day and you're going to run a series of around 50 tests on a daily basis, it is better you select a automated analyzer. So what is the major difference in selecting a semi-automated or an automated analyzer? In a semi-automated analyzer, it is usually time consuming and it is a technician dependent mission. So the technician has to load the samples, prepare the reagents, he has to type it, he has to once the report is ready, he has to type back into the computer. Whereas all these are fully automated in a fully automated biochemistry analyzer. This is the major difference. So as I said, it is all manually done by a technician. So what are the errors possible with the semi-automated analyzer? In a semi-automated analyzer, you can get either a pipetting error, a dilution error, typographical errors you can get. That is, he might see one value, but while entering, because he's keep on seeing the script, he might enter another value, maybe the decibel, that is the point which has to be kept as 0.1, he could have entered as 1.0. These are very common mistakes, but these are very great mistakes when done in a diagnostic center, which needs to be avoided. So when the sample load is very low, you can go in for a semi-automated or else kindly prefer a fully automated machine, that is a biochemistry machine. So all these are avoided in a fully automated biochemistry machine because only the technician's job is only to load the samples and the reagents and everything is done by the machine and you get the report directly into the LIS system. When I speak about the LIS system, it is usually you have two types of LIS system. One is the unidirectional, another one is the bidirectional. Most of the semi-automated machines can be in unidirectional, in which one way can be automated, another way again the technician has to manually incorporate his findings there. And in a fully automated, all the fully automated biochemistry analyzers are bidirectional. That is, the technician's job is to only load and unload the samples. Other than that, he needn't do any other thing. Most importantly, if the machine is a sample barcoded automated machine, the job is much less for a technician in a fully automated biochemistry analyzer. So we have seen all these things about the semi and fully automated machines. So what is the most important point to be considered while choosing a semi-automated or a fully automated analyzer? That is the time taken. Suppose you're running a very small laboratory, you're getting 15 patients in a day to do sugar test. So you will be having 15 sugar samples to be run. If you're going to do it in a semi-automated analyzer, it will take you nothing less than 2 hours to report it on the whole. That is, finish it and send it to the patient. It will take a minimum of 2 hours. But all these 20 samples or 10 samples together can be run in an automated machine. These all can be completed in a very precise way and the report can be sent within 1 hour to all the 10 patients. This is the most important difference you will be seeing in while choosing your semi-automated or an automated analyzer. So here, if you see, there are many errors, the time consuming for doing each test and all is huge for a semi-automated analyzer. So how am I going to choose which is best for me? Of course, even if you are running a small laboratory in which you get 15 samples per day, you can go in for an automated mission. So an automated mission, there are entry level of automated missions in which you can run even 100 tests to 125 tests per hour. That is the entry level or small automated mission. If your sample load is around 15 samples per day, you can definitely go in for a fully automated entry level of biochemistry analyzer. So what is the cost? Coming to the costing, how much do I need to spend for an automated biochemistry mission? That is around entry level of automated mission is usually starting from around 4.5 lakhs plus GST. If you see a semi-automated analyzer, it is going to cost you around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakhs. So this is the major difference in cost, and the fully automated mission can, there are machines which can also run around 2000 tests per hour. That is all for the referral laboratories. And these are the list of machine companies who does all semi-automated machines and also fully automated biochemistry analyzer. I hope you have enjoyed this video and got a lot of information regarding selecting your machine for your center. Thank you for watching, and once again thank you for all my subscribers. If you like my video, kindly press on the bell icon, like my video, and also subscribe my channel. See you tomorrow. See you with another video tomorrow. Bye bye, Dr. Lalita Center.